This video shows you how to install and use 3 WhatsApp accounts on one phone in 2026 without rooting your device. It's a simple, safe, and legal method that works on most Android phones. Step 1. Install WhatsApp Business. Opening the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Business and tap Install. Once installed, open the app and set it up using a different phone number. You can use WhatsApp Business for either personal chats or business communication. It works almost the same as normal WhatsApp, but it also includes extra tools like quick replies and business profile features. Step 2. Now you already have 2 WhatsApp apps. At this point, your phone will have WhatsApp regular version, WhatsApp Business. Both apps can run separately with different numbers, so you are already halfway done. Step 3. Enable third WhatsApp using dual apps / dual messenger. Now go to your phone settings. Depending on your device brand, search for dual messenger, Samsung, or dual apps or Bishwoo's, app clone, Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, Oppo, Vivo, etc. Find WhatsApp in the list and turn it on. Confirm the action and wait a few seconds while your phone creates a cloned version of WhatsApp. Step 4. Finish setup. Now open the cloned WhatsApp app and log in using a third phone number. After verification, you will have 3 fully working WhatsApp accounts on the same device. Final result. You now have WhatsApp Main, WhatsApp Business, cloned WhatsApp, dual app. And that's it, you have successfully installed 3 WhatsApp accounts on one phone without root access. This method is easy, beginner friendly, and works smoothly on most Android devices.